Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use text effects in Canva to make your designs more creative and eye-catching. Step 1. Add text. Open your design in Canva and click on Text. Choose a heading, subheading, or body text. Step 2. Open Effects panel. Select your text, then click on the Effects option at the top menu. Here you'll see different styles. Step 3. Explore effects. Canva offers amazing text effects like shadow, neon, lift, glitch, curve. Step 4. Customize. You can also adjust transparency, direction, color, and intensity to match your style. And that's it. You've just learned how to make your text stand out in Canva. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.